Hey guys, what's going on? It's RC Knockout and I'm back with another video. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Nolan, and today I have my Slash 4x4 out. This is a high center of gravity chassis one. The only thing to update is the 2075 servo finally gave up, the original one. So I put this one came out of my Traxxas Summit. So it's the same servo, but after 4 years, the 2075 servo finally gave up. It's the first electronics to actually break on this RC. It's still running strong with the motor and the ESC. Nice blue and black body on it. Ready, set, go. Here we go. I had to hit the brakes there at the end. This is probably my favorite bashing RC just because it's so reliable. Here we go, build up a little speed. That was nice. That landed well. Bring it back again. Here we go, guys. I landed again. That was it's actually landing pretty good. I just need to watch out that I don't run into a tree. You guys know I'm known for that. Ooh. The thing I like about the Slash is it's so nimble too. So you go around here, go around there. Getting a little squirrely when you're really trying to get the power down. Bring it back again. That one was bad right from the beginning though. Because that one I went off kind of off kilter. I went off kind of at a weird angle. That one was nice. Check out that camber angle. Can you see that camber angle, guys? It's fun driving around the trees. I mean, it's fun when you don't hit them anyway. I think it's making it more likely to flip because that one tire's digging into the ground because there's so much play in it. So it's making it want to go on two wheels when I'm turning quite a bit. But going the other direction actually turns in better. Alright guys, so the damage done. Right here I noticed I lost a body post, so one of these came off. And then the play that we have in this wheel, shouldn't have that much play. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. I'm way too close to the camera actually. But you can get a good look at my pearly whites. Just kidding. I don't have pearly whites. Actually, my teeth are pretty messed up. This one's chipped. That top front one, completely chipped. I've been grinding my teeth since I was like 5 years old. On top of that, all throughout middle school and high school, about all I drink was Gatorade and Powerade. If you guys don't know, Gatorade and Powerade is horrible for your enamel. It weakens your enamel when you're drinking that stuff and it's on your teeth. And then on top of that, I was grinding my teeth. That has nothing to do with RC, completely off topic, but it's good dental advice. You wonder why I don't smile that much on my videos. I have messed up teeth, that's why. If you enjoyed this video, hitting that like would really help me out. Also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more stuff like this, because we're going to continue bashing, going to keep on taking the X-Maxes out. The X-Maxes are always fun. I think that's probably the most viewed videos are the X-Maxes. I think that's what most of you enjoy. So keep on tuning in. And yeah, I just really appreciate you guys watching this video, and hopefully you guys will be back in my next video or in a future video. So if you like it, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys later.